And I remember when.
Yeah. Slick C, you remember?
Say I remember when.
Very well, you was there, baby.
Yeah.
Yella Jesus.
And I remember when I ain't have a pot to piss. Ketchup, ramen noodles was my pasta dish. Left home all alone, got into lots of shit. Like when me and Slick C was out robbing shit. My bathroom with my stash room. You could find a pound with no Vidal Sassoon or no toothpaste. I bite the bullet till my tooth aches and come with the force of toothquakes. Guns that'll make the roof shake. Got in trouble all the time cause we rule break. We ain't had much, thank God that we had us. My big cousin used to bag dust for duffel bag bucks. Remember Phil had the lack truck, fucking with that Jamaican bitch. She went crazy as shit, but if you had it, he was taking it. I came by, seen a crate of shit. I was 16, more work than a Nick scene. He say, freak, this ain't no big dream. Can't get weak, small change, I be done with that this week. Pimp squeak, watch a pimp eat, I did every day. Living in the same household as Reverend May. He taught me shit that I could never say, cause it was too true. Slick C love the blue pill, Phil Will love the red one. I couldn't say shit, cause we was all in the Matrix.
Yeah, MJ, I'm here. And I told y'all I was crazy. Y'all really need to pray for me. No, for real, pray. Y'all thought I was playing with all the shit that be in my head?
You see that?
Listen.
I see a ghost and a demon when I'm smoking and drinking. Wake up cold and I'm screaming. Slow down, try controlling my breathing. I'm at my lowest, I'm scheming. Every day I think I'm going this evening. Insanity. Niggas trying to damage me. Shooting at your family cause you thought you the man to be. Who ran into the man to be? Sleeping on your canopy or inside your Grand Cherokee to bust open your pair of peach. I'm a beast who eat at will. Keep that still. I promise I'ma see them bills. Like Hillary, my villainy. Never been auxiliary. Drinking like distilleries and smoking like a chimney. I swear you ain't never been no kin to me. I leave your game sideline with an injury. Remember me, flipping peas in these inner city streets. Leave you a whole size of the spinning 50 piece. I'm up late night high, I'm geeking. Do you hear these ghosts I'm seeing? Calm my nerves, pull it up. I'm leaning just past my call me trouble cause I rose from the rubble. O's in my duffel, bought a fofo to the scuffle. So try to jump bad and I'm busting your bubble. Do your face like rain, I'm stomping your puppy.